Hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to create an account and you will get extra dollar free. This is the exchange site, so you need to create a new account. First you go to the link when I send you the description box. Please go to the description box and click on this link. After click on this link, you can see this type page. You can see this type of page. Then you fill your data, name, email address, password. Then follow their Twitter and send your Twitter name. Join their Telegram and send your Telegram. After clicking on this, click on sign up. Then they will send a confirmation mail. This type of confirmation mail, you can active your account by this. Click this link. When you click this link, you go to the page. Click on login. After login, when you log in, then you can see your balance is extra dollar free. You see that my balance is now extra dollar. So it is so easy and so easy. So hurry up, this is limited time hour. If you like this video, please like, comment and share our video. Thank you so much.